Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, let's take a dive into our box of presents for day 9. I think I see it peeking out. There it is right there. I'm not very good at guessing these, so I'm not even sure what. Oh, I don't even know. There's some heart in there, but it's not like a book or anything, so I really have no idea. With my last guess, it was horrible. So we're just going to open this up and see what we get. Okay, I did not see that coming. Okay, here is our light units. And I'm assuming this is for a fun little banner. Oh my gosh, look. Okay, I'm going to open this up. This is fun. So these are banners, and oh, no, they're not. Is it a star that's all connected? Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so do you see these little punch outs they have? This is a little tricky. Doesn't come with instructions, so I guess if I break it, you'll know what not to do. Oh, there we go. So you've got to open it up. And then I'm assuming these come down and meet. And then you tighten the rope. You know, there's a strap right here, and it's got a little tighten thing. And so you would tighten that so it doesn't open back up. But look at the punches on this. So there's scissors and stars and ironing. They're duck, thread, sewing machine. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And I imagine that this goes inside somehow. So you probably put these twinkle lights into different holes for this. So then you can turn it on. This one is the same, but it just has the stars. Look, we got to look at this. We'll look it up. See what it looks like when it's open. So they're just a single star. This is really fun. I've seen these, but oh, so you have to open this up so they'll spread. And then I'm assuming you tighten that back down. This was a lot easier to do than the other one for some reason. Okay. Probably everybody's cringing because I'm doing this wrong. I am just not sure. Okay, maybe. I got it. Sort of. Oh, there we go. That's really, those are really pretty. This is not small. Those would be a lot of fun hanging from somewhere. I can see where they're pinched a little bit at the top, so I'd probably have to play with it to get it to lay flat and cuter. So, wow,